Today I am showing you all a remedy for cold and cough, dry cough. Ingredients for this are, I've taken this big ginger and I've grated it, and honey, and now I will show you the method. Add half katori of water and keep it for about 10 minutes so that the juice of it comes out. After 10 minutes of soaking this, you just squeeze all the water and you can use this for tea or whatever you feel like, and then strain it. This is very, very good. And put 1 teaspoon of honey. I have extra honey. And if you are making for the kids, you all can put more honey because they will not like it, no, otherwise, because it has to be a little pungent, and ginger is pungent. Shake it like that. You can have it 3 times a day. Morning on the empty stomach, after lunch, after dinner. You can have it even 4 times a day, and before sleeping also you can have it. And this is the best remedy for cold and cough.